Model, 66-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO 1.6CDTI 120PS Sportive H1 van spares OR repairs ULEZ Euro 6. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 105,020. MOT, 12 April 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. It was diagnosed with a head gasket issue and the garage started to remove the cylinder head, but the customer bought a new van so the garage stopped working on it. Every single part is in the back of the van and it's been taken apart professionally. Nothing is missing. Nice simple job for someone to take over and complete. All of the hard work is done. The injectors have been removed, so this is literally a spanner job and off you go. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels, side steps, rear carpet lined. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,575. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.